In the vast Atlantic, hurricane season is reaching its peak, and the ocean is alive with activity. The waters, usually serene, are now a theater of nature's raw power, showcasing the might of the elements. From Africa to the Americas, several systems are brewing, some already named like Hurricane Gabrielle, others just beginning to form. These storms, born from the warm waters off the African coast, travel thousands of miles, growing in strength and size. The next storm, likely to be called Humberto, could soon threaten millions. Meteorologists are closely monitoring its path, predicting its potential impact on populated areas. The Atlantic, usually calm, is now a swirling canvas of storms. Each storm is a masterpiece of nature, with swirling clouds and powerful winds. Islanders and meteorologists watch anxiously, reading the signs and satellite images. They know the importance of being prepared, as these storms can change course unpredictably. 3 tropical waves are marching west, each with its own potential to develop into a significant storm. 2 of these waves have real potential to develop and threaten the Caribbean, and possibly the U.S. coast. The anticipation is palpable as communities brace for impact. The stakes are high, and vigilance is essential. Emergency preparedness teams are on high alert, and families are taking steps to secure their homes. This is the heart of hurricane season. The Atlantic is a powerful reminder of nature's unpredictability and the need for constant vigilance. Far east of Bermuda, Hurricane Gabrielle spins, a powerful vortex with winds nearing 145 kilometers per hour. Conditions are ripe for Gabrielle to intensify into a major Category 3 hurricane. Its path will spare Bermuda a direct hit, but the island will still feel its power through high seas and dangerous swells. These waves, born in Gabrielle's core, travel vast distances, warning distant shores of the storm's might. Even when far away, hurricanes send signals across the ocean. The Atlantic is a web of cause and effect, where one storm's energy ripples outward. Nature's drama is on full display. Trailing just behind the powerful Gabrielle, another system is brewing in the warm waters of the Atlantic. This is a less organized, yet still potentially dangerous, tropical wave. While it lacks the tightly wound structure of a named storm, its sprawling clouds and bands of rain stretch for hundreds of miles, hinting at the power it still holds. Even if it never earns an official name, this system is not to be underestimated. Its main weapon is not fierce winds, but relentless torrential rain that can fall for hours on end. The forecast calls for a deluge across the Lesser Antilles, where the risk of flooding is high. Streets could quickly turn into rivers, and low-lying areas may be submerged in a matter of hours. From Tuesday night through Wednesday, islands such as Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, Anguilla, and Guadeloupe could see rainfall totals reaching up to 150 millimeters or nearly 6 inches in a very short period. Such intense rainfall can quickly overwhelm rivers, streams, and drainage systems, leading to dangerous flash floods and even landslides in hilly or mountainous terrain. The threat from this system is silent but severe. Here, water is the true enemy, not the wind. Rising water levels can catch communities off guard, especially at night. That's why forecasters are urging everyone in the region to take precautions now. Prepare for flooding, not just for the possibility of a named storm. In hurricane season, it's important to remember that rain can be just as deadly as wind. Floodwaters can rise quickly, and the aftermath can be devastating for families and communities alike. The true power of these storms lies hidden beneath the waves, in the vast reservoir of the ocean's heat. While the surface may look calm and inviting, it's what's below that truly matters when it comes to fueling hurricanes. Caribbean waters are exceptionally warm, with temperatures often reaching into the upper 80s Fahrenheit. This warmth isn't just at the surface, it extends deep below, creating a thick layer of energy that hurricanes can tap into. The deeper and warmer the water, the more fuel there is for storms to grow. As storms pass over these heated waters, they draw up both heat and moisture, feeding on the energy like a living thing. This process creates a powerful feedback loop, where the storm grows stronger, which in turn allows it to pull up even more heat and moisture from the ocean below, sometimes leading to rapid and unexpected intensification. When the warm layer is especially deep, storms can explode in strength with little warning, catching communities off guard. The ocean becomes a cauldron, brewing up storms that can change in intensity in just a matter of hours. This rapid intensification is a major challenge for forecasters, who must constantly monitor changing conditions. For people living in hurricane-prone areas, it's a real danger. Storms can go from manageable to catastrophic in a short time, leaving little time to prepare or evacuate. The 2025 season's deep, warm waters set the stage for explosive hurricane growth, making this year especially risky. Meteorologists are watching closely, knowing that the right conditions could lead to record-breaking storms. Preparation and vigilance are more important than ever. For those living along the coast, staying informed and ready can make all the difference when the next storm comes barreling in. For many islands, the immediate threat is flooding rain, not hurricane winds. Puerto Rico and the northern Lesser Antilles face the highest risk, with over 150 millimeters of rain expected. Mountainous terrain means flash floods and landslides can strike with little warning. Further south, islands like Trinidad, Grenada, and St. Vincent will also see significant rain and possible flooding. Meanwhile, the ABC Islands remain mostly dry, shielded by their southern position. The region's weather is complex and local. Preparation is key for all.